Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Porkbun domain to Cloudflare Pages. First, go to the website of Cloudflare and log into your account. After you log in, look at the dashboard. Click on the button that says Add a Site. You will now see a field where you can enter your domain name. Type the domain that you registered with Porkbun. Then click Continue. Cloudflare will ask you to choose a plan. Select the free plan. Continue to the next step. Cloudflare will now scan your existing DNS records. After the scan is complete, it will show you 2 name servers. Keep this page open because you will need these name servers in the next step. Now open a new tab and log in to your Porkbun account. Go to Domain Management and click on Details next to your domain. Scroll down until you find Authoritative Name Servers. Click Edit. Remove the existing name servers and replace them with the 2 name servers that Cloudflare gave you. Save your changes. Next, go back to Cloudflare. Open your Cloudflare Pages project dashboard. Click on Settings, then choose Custom Domains. Click Set up a custom domain. Enter your full domain name and follow the prompts to confirm. Cloudflare will now verify your DNS settings. Once everything is active, SSL certificates will be issued automatically. Your site is now connected and secure. Thanks for watching.